Hello lovelies, I'm going to make something really quick for you. It's one of my epic tips for you for your Thermomix. I'm going to make some coconut milk. So you don't have to buy coconut milk in the stores anymore. It's really easy to make it at home because you have a Thermomix. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how it's done. So I start by just adding my coconut. I've got desiccated coconut, unsweetened desiccated coconut. You can also use coconut, shredded coconut or coconut flakes, totally up to you. Just make sure you don't use anything that's already been baked or toasted because that's not going to give you the results that you need. And I'm just going to pop this on speed 10 to make it a little bit smaller. So it's been about 20 seconds and this is what it looks like now. It's just a little bit smaller, it's just a bit finer, and you want to make sure you do that because if you don't make it fine, you will end up with gritty coconut milk, and who wants gritty coconut milk? So all you have to do now is add in some water. Just chuck it all in. Just has to be cold tap water is all you need. Chuck it all in. It's a bit like making your own nut milk, really easy and really simple. And then you pop it on speed 10 until it's done. So now that it's all mixed up, all I have to do is pop my simmering basket inside a big bowl that's enough to basically take all of my coconut milk. And I'm going to put a nut milk bag or a muslin into that simmering basket and then just chuck it all in, pour it in, and then you just let it strain. Once it's all done and you have worked your arms really well with the straining, you're gonna have some pulp left over, and you can use this pulp in any lovely recipes like energy balls, and they're really tasty, so don't chuck that. And this is what you get as your nut milk. So that's coconut milk and it's really tasty. The fresher the coconut, the more creamy and smooth your coconut milk will be. So try and get something that's really nice and fresh. That's gonna be really tasty.